Hey guys! Hey guys! Hey guys, it's Caitlin and welcome back to my channel. So as I promised you, previous video, we will cook our Ukrainian rolls together with my sister. Masha, say something.
Hi.
Okay, let's go. So first of all, this is all stuff that we need. Here's some ingredients. There's salmon,
Philadelphia cheese, avocado, shrimp, caviar tobico.
This is
another
cream cheese, yeah, but this is more soft than cheese Philadelphia. So we also use it.
Nori, cucumber, green onion, salad.
3 packs of rice.
Okay, let's go for rice. Open this
vinegar. So we use it just a little, but Masha likes to use it a lot. And I will do this sushi mat. I will wrap it with wrapping paper. Plastic wrap.
And we should to microwave 2 minutes.
I will show you everything. So this is process-ish. So guys, and also write down the comments below, have you ever tried, like, it's called American rolls. So have you ever tried it in your life? Because I know that Japanese, they like so much like simple sushi, and it's really rarely when you can like the rolls like California or Philadelphia. This one a little.
We need sriracha sauce. I had a job yesterday and I have yellow nails. You like it?
And for the rice, because rice usually sticks to our hand and to our spoons, we will use just like plate of water.
Rice should be soft.
So we mixed it so the vinegar can go deep in our rice. So,
2 pack of rice. I need
it's magic.
Second pack rice.
It's like so. It's magic. You know. This is how we do it. This is how I do it. I am almost finished this this shit. Shit. Yeah, shit. It's like
shit.
It's not like this. It's like shit. It's
Sheet of nori.
shit of nori.
Sheet of paper.
Sheet of
nori.
Nori paper.
Paper nori. Nori paper.
So this is what we have. Like here we need to leave some space of nori, and here
shit.
and here is some space for rice.
Quickly.
Not quickly, it can be also like this. Okay, right now this is time for... no, this is time for... Actually, it's time for cucumber. Where is the cucumber, Masha? You're my helper, but you didn't help.
Where is my spoon?
Where is my cucumber? Where is my pieces of cucumber?
Where is my spoon?
The water.
Cooking program.
Like this.
Program Gunkani by Marmorti.
Right now, we need to
I
put
think,
Philadelphia cheese. Where is my spoon?
It's so yummy.
Right now I'm doing here like...
This way.
Маш, пожалуйста, ну давай, когда я разговариваю, пожалуйста, помолчи, пожалуйста. Usually when we cook, we watch some movies. And from yesterday, we also wanted to watch the Peaky Blinders, but it was so late, so we just fall asleep. So, yeah, probably we will do it maybe next week. And right now I'm using water. No. Yes. And start wrapping it carefully.
So sorry.
And this is what we have. Ta-da! Look at this salmon. This is just amazing. Like 8 or 9 slices.
I start to cook gunkangs. They should to be like this, not tall. Maybe 2.5 centimeters. Centimeters.
So guys, that's what we have right now. After I will, of course, cut it in 8 pieces.
Look, you see
You
that?
should wait.
I think I'm a good friend for people who knows English a little bit, and if you know English a little bit, you understand me, and I feel comfortable in this video because I know that not all people speak English like Kate.
Actually,
we-
honestly, may I have one word,
this
please?
video because we are beautiful, and maybe you don't understand all, but you see. And
So I want to tell that honestly, I'm starting forgetting English because don't have enough practice. Usually, I'm surrounded by Ukrainian speaking people and Russian speaking people only right now. This is weird because I'm living in Japan actually and speaking only like Russian language. So my goals for my goal for this year probably to find more friends who are able to speak English only or Japanese only, so I can be like more confident and step by step just like study better any of these languages. And also, guys, if you know or if you don't know, I don't know, I went to Japanese school. It's like course for preparation for a Japanese exam which calls GLPT test. So I will also pass GLPT test this summer in July, 7th of July. So wish me luck. It's really, really complicated.
すみません。ありがとうございます。ごちそうさまでしていただきます。おやすみ。
I started to study Japanese.
Duolingo, I think so.
No. It's translate this sentence.
私は日本語を勉強し始めました。日本語わかりません。日本語わかりません。Translate, I don't understand Japanese language. Thank you. I'm a sensei. Rice and this bowl. Sheet of nori. Beep. Rice. Spink. Good. And this. Rice. Spink.
Sorry.
Push. Down. Finger. And water. And
I'm so sorry.
we have this amazing, perfect cakes have
Good kind of face. What are you looking at?
finger. Sense.
First roll. You can see how beautiful it is. Join.
Not join.
Join.
Nope. This is my piece of shit.
Right now we need a deep plate for making heads. So in this plate, cut some slices of salmon and also add some tobacco. This sriracha
This is hot
sauce,
spice sauce like Tabasco, you know.
and just mixed it. I bought the fish, the salmon in the supermarket, and wasabi was already there, so we don't need to buy it by ourselves.
This is matcha, you know?
いただきます。How is it?
Amazing.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We will eat it because we are so hungry. So I hope you enjoy it, and please subscribe on this channel and like and put the bell down below. So we are waiting for you in the next videos.
We love you so much.
Bye bye.
Remember it, baby.
Bye bye.